The state of childcare is a very precarious balance right now.
New Yorkers pay some of the highest child care costs in America. The average New York City family spends up to $16,250 a year on child care for an infant. Alina Dow is a mom of twins.
The cost of child care was actually more than our mortgage and our maintenance together. Scary.
Brooklyn State Senator Jabari Bisport just wrapped up a statewide tour. He heard directly from parents, daycare center owners, and child care workers. Their stories inspired the legislation Bisport just introduced in Albany, universal child care, covering children as young as infants.
Make it free for all parents at the point of service in the same way as enrolling your kid at your local school.
Bisport found many families struggle to find quality daycare providers in their neighborhood, and child care centers often struggle to pay their staffers adequate salaries. He wants to transform the entire system.
To invest about $5 billion into rapidly scaling up the infrastructure for childcare to build up more capacity.
Bisport is working to get the support of fellow lawmakers in Albany. $5 billion is a hefty price tag. The state's economy is still rebounding after COVID-19, but Stevie Vargas with the Alliance for Quality Education believes
New York can't afford to continue to ignore this crisis.
Faced with a child care bill they simply could not afford, Alina Dow and her husband had to make a tough decision.
What I ended up having to do was definitely stop working.
Senator Bisport said he heard from voices all across the state who said our child care crisis deepened during the pandemic, with daycare centers closing as more and more parents began to work from home. Senator Bisport believes the funding in this legislation would truly lift up the entire industry. But of course, there is a long way to go before this bill can become a law. Reporting live from the Riverdale section of the Bronx, Ayana Harry, Pix 11 News.